And in the international news, a day after showcasing its diplomatic power by hosting Eurasian leaders, including Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, China has displayed its hard power during the military parade that commemorated 80th anniversary of victory over Japan in World War II. In the military parade that was attended by Russian President Vladimir Putin and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, China unveiled a range of new military hardware, including a new nuclear intercontinental ballistic missile, a new road-bound missile for delivering hypersonic weapons, a new laser weapon, and even robotic dog drones. One of the highlights from the China military parade was the rolling down of the Dongfeng 5 DF-5C, a new variant of the nuclear intercontinental ballistic missile. According to experts, the silo-based missile is capable of delivering a single nuclear warhead with an explosive yield of 3 to 4 megatons of TNT, equivalent to approximately 200 times the power of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Additionally, the missile has a range of more than 13,000 kilometers, placing the continental United States and Western Europe well within reach. The parade also unveiled DF-61, which is believed to be China's most advanced ICBM after the DF-41, which is currently in service. It comes at a time when Chinese leader Xi Jinping seeks to project Beijing's power on the international stage, not just as the world's second largest economy, but also as a counterweight to the United States as Trump's tariffs rock the global economic and political order.
Of the right course and development.
Fairness and justice.